The energy efficiency movement is driving HVAC industry growth like never before. And here's why this matters for your business or investment strategy. Homeowners are becoming more eco-conscious, and government incentives for heat pumps and high efficiency systems are making upgrades way more affordable. That means more demand for installations and bigger job sizes for HVAC companies. If you position your business as an expert in energy efficient solutions, you're tapping into one of the fastest growing segments of the industry. So, whether you're looking to scale or invest in, energy efficiency is where you should focus your efforts.